Stopping at a highway rest area. Eric and Angela are driving on a highway.
Hey, Angela, can you check the map and see how far we are from a gas station?
Sure. Do we need to refuel?
Actually, I'm kind of in a hurry to use the bathroom, but since you mention it, we should get some gas. The tank is getting pretty low.
It looks like we are about 10 minutes from a highway rest area.
Excellent. I'll keep an eye out.
Eric drives the car onto the exit ramp to enter the rest area parking lot.
Wow, this place is packed. I don't see any parking spaces.
Maybe I can park the car here for a few minutes.
No way. You'll be blocking cars trying to get out of the lot.
This is so confusing, and I really need to use the bathroom.
How about this? You hop out and go use the restroom. I'll switch seats and go fill up the gas tank.
Okay, that works for me. I'll pull over here and put the car in neutral.
Eric gets out of the car and Angela moves to the driver's seat.
I'll be at the gas station over there.
Sounds good.